Good morning students. Today we will move to the next part of the trigonometry, that is the T ratios of standard angles. This is very easy and interesting topic. You have to just pick up the values from the table and substitute in the question and solve the equation. That's it. So students, today I will explain you how to make the table for the standard angles. First remember, this is first column is for the theta. Next first you will write down the 6 trigonometrical ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, then secant theta and the cot theta. So as I told you in my previous videos also, please remember the same order. So standard angles are which angles? First is 0 degree, next is 30 degree, then 45 degree, and next is 60 degree, and the last is 90 degrees. This is the standard angles for trigonometry. So first see children, first column value you have to remember. Either you can remember or I'll tell you the easiest way. First you write down the numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide all these with 4. Okay, and then take the square root. So see, 0 divided by 4 is 0 and 0 square root is 0. 1 by 4 square root is 1 by 2. This is square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2 is root 2. Next is root 3 square root is root 3 and 4 square root is 2. And this is 4 and 4 upon 4 is 1. So square root of 1 is 1. So this is either you learn or if you remember the way, it would be easier, because if you know first column sin theta, rest you have no need to remember. It's very easy. Cos theta is just the reverse order of sine values. First sin 90 will be cos 0, 1. Then sin 60 value is the value of cos 30. Means in the reverse order you have to just write down these number. Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2. Because sin 45 and cos 45 both have the same value, then 1 by 2, and then last is 0. Yes, now tan theta children. Tan theta, one special formula is tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So that is, you have to just divide the value 0 upon 1, that is 0. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 is cancelled, so value is 1 by root 3, 1 upon root 2, whole upon 1 upon root 2, that is 1, root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2, that is root 3, 2 and 2 cancel, and 1 upon 0 is not 0 children, it's infinity, means not defined, so it's dash. Now see, rest all the values we will find out with the help of this. Cosecant is a reciprocal of sine value. Cosecant is a reciprocal of sine, means 1 by sine. So 0 reciprocal is infinity and infinity reciprocal is 0. 0 upon 1, when we will take the reciprocal of these value, it will become 1 by 0, that is infinity, dash. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal is 2. Root 3 upon 2 reciprocal is 2 upon root 3. And 1 reciprocal is 1. Next, secant is a reciprocal of cos. So you have to take the reciprocal of cos value. 1 reciprocal is 1. Root 3 upon 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3. This is root 2 upon 1. This is 2 upon 1 means 2. And as I told you, 0 reciprocal is 1 by 0. That is not defined, dash, infinity. And cot is a reciprocal of tan, 1 upon tan theta. So cot is the value of 0 reciprocal is 1 by 0, that is not defined, dash. This is root 3, 1 reciprocal is 1, root 3 reciprocal is 1 by root 3, and infinity reciprocal is 0. So children, as we've seen, if you just know the sine value, you can find out rest all the values very easily if you remember the same order and the formulas. So based on this table, what we have to do, we have to just substitute the value of these angles in the given questions. Question based on this are very easy, children. I'll explain you question which is based on this table. Sine square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree upon tan square 60 degree. You have to just pick up the value from the table, children. Sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. It's a square, so the square of the value. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2 whole square upon tan 60 value is root 3, that is root 3 whole square. Why this exercise is easy, children? Because if you know the table, you have to just pick up the value from the table and substitute in the equation. So 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 upon 3. Half plus half is 1. 1 by 3. This is your answer. That's it. I'll do one more question. Question number 6th of your book. It's given that angle A is 45 and we have to prove sine 2A is equals to 2 sine A into cos A. Here always remember you have to solve left hand side and right hand side separately. So first pick up the left hand side value, sine 2A. A value is 45. So 2A is one angle. So sine 2 into 45 is sine 90. Sine 90 value is 1. So our left hand side value is 1. Right hand side is 2 sine A cos A. So 2 sine 45 into cos 45. So 2 into, substitute the values. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 and 2 is cancelled. So LHS and RHS both are equal and hence proved. So student, today I will give you the questions which is based on these standard angles. Thank you.